Thought I would show you how to create a Lucidchart just in case you haven't done it. I think it can be confusing if you've never used it before, so I want to try to simplify. You're going to need to get into Google Docs, so log in and do your thing, and then go into this box here that gives you the different kinds of apps, and then you're looking for Lucidchart. The Lucidchart is at the bottom and it's orange. Log in and do whatever it is that you need to do to get there, choosing your Park Hill account. Mine comes up with like basic mind map, and then I have a 5 Ps of characterization because I had done it last year, but I'm not sure that yours would actually look like that. So what you want to do is if you go into the blank document, I think there's another way. I think I took you the long way, but you'll still get the point. I am going to go into File and New, because that gets me to where I know. And then you can pick anything down here that would help accomplish your task. I'm just going to choose the mind map just because it kind of makes sense and I've done it before. And then it just gets you started. So in the middle you would write your character's name, whatever you've decided your character would be. And then here this gives you the 4 pieces of the 4 types of characterization. I know there were 5, but for our purposes, if you just take care of 4, just because the mind map is already made like that, it's just going to simplify things up very much. So then whatever you want to use of the 5 P's of characterization, you type in 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, and then 4 here, and you get the point, right? So at that point, it's going to save because you're just like you're in Google Docs, so it's going to save just like if you were typing a regular document. And then you go to the Share tab when you're done. When you're done with the entire chart, you go to the Share tab and you label it, and then hit Save, and then get a shareable link, copy the link, and you get the point. And so it's the exact same thing as with Google Docs. You're going to copy the link, and that's what you're going to actually put in the Dropbox. Okay? Remember that the point in a Lucidchart is it's a visual for you to create your own character that you would be able to use as you're writing your short story. Okay, have a good one. Hope this helps.